snap, it's crackle, what a happy sound. You gotta have a crackle or the clock's not bound. You can snap a hop and cereal slap and snap, crackle, pop makes the world go round.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another one. And what do you guess is wrong with this one today? Well, it's a pretty flattened out HDMI, as you can see there. You can see the pins are all pressed into the back of the connector. So, yeah. We'll be taking this PS5 apart today and performing some surgery, and hopefully we can get this bad boy running again. So just a standard HDMI port swap on this guy. You can see all this like scratches and stuff around here. I don't get it. Like, I don't understand how people like can't get the cable in properly. I don't know. I don't know why it doesn't work. Anyways, the first step we got to do, as always, is we need to check to make sure this thing comes on. And I got to get power cable set up here. I think it is. Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay. That worried me there for a second. It appears to be coming on. We have fan spin and it is staying on, so let's see if it'll shut off for us. And it will. Okay. Okay. I don't know why I did that to start with, but it doesn't matter. It seems to be okay. So let's go ahead and get this Okay, guys, that looks like a good dial reading to me, so we can put this back together. The port went pretty easy, didn't have any major issues. Yeah, that was a classic on and off deal. Okay, that's good. Let's get a little bit of KPX on this situation. Where is it? There it is. All right, let's get that guy going. Whoops. Good. Alrighty, so that is that. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Okay. Switch us over here. And boom. Yes, sir. Hello, Xbox. Okay, and as you guys can see, we have an operating console, so that is good. Yeah! Connect this thing up. And do some basic checks. Just need a cable. There we go. Looks good. Let's just connect it to the internet here. Can I play any of these? Alright guys, I'm going to do some testing, and everything looks good, so I will see you on the next one. Please hit me up with a like and subscribe, or hit me up with a comment. Tell me you hate the video, whatever. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.